Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. S&P is coming in right here. We're basically right at resistance. So if you take a look at this, you're right at resistance. And for this reason, I'm just neutral on the market. It's quite possible that we could continue to accelerate and moving upward on this trend line. And we can continue that path, and we can continue to move to the upside. But I feel with an upside move, we're going to get more problems with inflation, and that's just because we've been printing money, and that's why we've been getting more moves to the upside. So I think that the market is stretched. I would be very hesitant to buy at these levels, but it's possible that it could break out here. Me personally, what do I think? I think it's due for a pullback, but that doesn't mean we will get one. So be very careful and cautious with where we're at. All right, so let's check these things out. Let's go kind of stock by stock. And here, let's check this out. This is Amazon here. You can see we have kind of like a triangle pattern here that's being created. You do have some resistance here overhead. So this is kind of what's going on. I think the stock is seeing some trouble around the 32.50 level and hitting some resistance areas. But it is a strong and powerful stock. So usually when there's pullbacks, this stock gets bought out. When there's any kind of weakness, people love it, and it's just a dominant player. This is another level of support that you may want to watch if you're looking at more of a sideways pattern. So the stock has been moving in that kind of way as well. So check that out, but there's a few lines for you. I don't see a ton of, not a lot of volume in either direction right now. So it seems like the stock has paused a little bit. So just be patient and wait for things. Neutral on it for now. Normally I'm bullish on it, and I think, hey, it just keeps going up until it proves to you otherwise. But in this case, just be patient, allow those things to set up. It's just been continuing to ramp up into higher prices. All right, next one I want to check out is Coke for you. And here, as we look at Coke, let's go into the weekly, which you'll be able to see as we check this out. You can see there's a couple of descending patterns here that I will show you. That if you look at this, we've got kind of this descending pattern. Here's kind of your breakout. You also have a nice bullish volume right here. If you look at kind of some of the support levels here, you can see here's the support, whereas here's the resistance. So that stock is holding up well here. Let's just say holding well here, and it looks good for higher prices in the meantime with some bullish volume. The volume, of course, is not as strong as we would like it to be. We would like more stronger volume, but for now, the price is dominant, and it continues to move and power higher. So that's a good, healthy thing for the charts. But again, with stocks being at all-time highs and that kind of thing, it does concern me that you might get into some resistance levels up ahead. So be careful. Stock's doing well. I'd say bullish in general with light, with little extra caution. Bullish, but lightly bullish. So be a little more cautious. All right, let's check out this next one, ETFC. Let's see what I want to share here on this one. I wanted to show you that we're getting right into this level of kind of resistance. So if you look at this and you look at that level, you look at this level, and you look at some of these recent ones right here, this is right there at the peak of resistance, or right there at the, I guess you could say, the precipice or the peak or the apex. We are right at resistance, and the last few times we have sold off. That does not mean this time is different. So keep trading the trade until things change. So be very careful on this. I'll be neutral on it because you never know if things will break out to the upside or will break down, but be careful. We're at the upper end. It keeps trying, it keeps trying. Eventually it will break through, but for now, this stock is having a bit of trouble. Now, I'm not seeing any big indication. You've got some bullish volume, you've got some bearish volume, you've got some bearish volume earlier. I'm not seeing any major indication on this on a week-to-week basis, and this is a longer time frame. So when you look at the price history, you're like at 2019 and almost 2018. So this is a longer dated chart. So for now, wait and see approach. If you get major selling pressure, then of course it will sell off. But if you start seeing a break in higher prices, then this could be a nice healthy move to the upside. So these are a few things that you're watching in this chart. Is just you're waiting to see, are we going to start getting a nice move down, or is it trying to nibble to the upside? And then if it does, will it break on nice huge wide price spread, good volume? And if that's the case, this stock should be good to go. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.